Hello students, welcome back to Sri Hari Ragavendra Academy. In today's class, I will be teaching you how to create a border and how to create shapes of different borders as well. Then after that, I will also explain you what is the format paint option in Excel. Before we begin the class, let's start a class with a prayer. Gnananandamayam Devam Nirmala Spatikakrutim Adharam Sarva Vidyanam Hayagrivam Upasmahe Namaste Sharada Devi Kashmir Puravasinī विद्यारंभम करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा. By taking the blessings of Hayagriva Swami and Saraswati Devi, let's start today's class. And if you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, watch all the previous videos and hit the like button and to support the channel. I hope you're enjoying this learning process. And today I am here to create a border and make this table look very beautiful. It's about doing the makeup. Okay. Usually, whenever you prefer to go outside, you tend to comb well, put lot of cream, powder, and you dress up yourself so that other will. You will try to impress others so that the people wherever you go should look at you, right? This is how you try to impress by creating the makeup. So today, what we are doing is we are exactly learning the same thing of creating a makeup in Excel. So now, if you can see, this is a very plain table. Again, I've taken the same example. Now let us design this table in such a way that it looks very beautiful, it looks very innovation. Now let me try to apply a border to this table because border is something that will help in great visual representation of a data. For that, what you have to do is just click on the first cell and drag and drop and select these two columns. ಅರ್ಥ Now I will go to this border option. First I will click on all border options. Then later on I will click with thick border option. So now you got to know that thick border as well as column borders have been created for this table. This is a very first basic step of applying a foundation. How do you apply a foundation cream before applying your compact powders? Similarly, before designing anything, we have to create a compact table with a thick border and the inside border to all of this. So how did I do? I went here, I first selected thick border as well as all border option. Now I will change the font style in from Calibri to a Times New Roman option now because it looks very beautiful. Now you got to know the Times New Roman option is selected. Now what I will do is I will center align this entire table. Please keep this in mind. This is center aligned. So this looks again very beautiful. Now I will go to this option called mm, background color. I will select this background color and I will put it at a light shade of this blue. Okay. Now you see the table is looking very beautiful and very colorful as well. So now I will represent this in white color text so that it will very much visible. Okay. So or else if you want to highlight this 92 in some other different color, you can just highlight this with yellow because as soon as someone sees this entire table, their eyes will immediately get into a student's name who is Sneha who has scored 92 marks. So this is how I can, um, create a borders and shading as well. So this is a few things that I can talk about this thing. And if you want to, you can also format this entire table. You can go to this format table option. Now, if you can, there are many different types of formatting. So if you want this, you can also select this as well. So that, lot of filters can also be applied here. And, you can just filter out the different things as well. So if you don't want this, you can just press Control Z option. I'll be teaching all the filter options in the next classes. Now there are lot many heading styles. I can just check with this. I can just, I can select many different options here as well. How do I want to look into data? See, it can directly edit it as well. So I will just select uh, this so that this is how you can make use of your cell styles to select. So you have to select the table and you can change your cell style as well. So this is a very simple how to apply the border and how to shape the content inside the border is what I have to just highlight, and I have highlighted the highest mark here. So this is what I wanted to share in this class about the borders and shading. So if you have liked the video, because I'm teaching everything of basics, because there are different things I can do with this, but I just don't want to get into depth because I'm here to teach you the basics. Going ahead in the further classes, I can teach you how can you format the table with advanced feature as well. So if you have liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.